I'm long overdue for this elevator. All right, here we go. Cabbie on the way down. It's an old Dover. Indicator actually works. TK, ooh, that's interesting, the new TK. Actually, this is probably the meeting center. That doesn't do anything. Thought we were low on oil. We'll do one more ride. And I might end downstairs. Actually, no, I won't. I'll hit that motor again. There's a phone. All right, here we go. Has an epic motor. No Dolphin label. I think once they close it pretty fast, right there it goes, and that's it. Interesting indicator. All right, that's it.